Hi guys, just practicing a bit here. Well, with this, I already had discussed about this Aya. It's now quite easy for me. And this is a new one, Euro double profile cylinder. There is a B mark on it. I don't know what it means, but it's a 7-pin, and I already picked some of it, and it's just plain pins and small ones. The technique I had found out with this kind of Euro profile cylinder is a combination of raking and picking. Okay, so this is how I did it. First, I did some loosen up the pin by raking it lightly, and also one thing also is locking it on the chamber if it is it could be a lock there, and then follow up by a single picking. Once the pin had been hanging up, at least there is one or two that is left for picking, so I just rake it very lightly. The 7th pin is quite too deep, so I think just raking it a little bit. So okay, now it's open. This kind of profile cylinder is not much about the treat actually, but for beginners it's quite very hard to pick because of 7-pin which it's 7 pins, and they're all normal pins actually. Okay, so that's all folks, and thanks for watching. So this one kind of practice, I've done it all here. Okay, good day.